Hello friends, welcome to our channel Insan Fairfatka. Today we are going to eat a very popular South Indian snacks, Vizag special, tomato slice. This is very popular in Visakhapatnam and is very tasty. Now currently we are at RK Beach, so this shop is easily available opposite to Aqua Sports Complex. So let us see how this person is making this tomato slice. You ate pani puri, you ate shev puri, you ate bhed puri, but if you eat this tomato slice, definitely you are going to love this and you are going to find a different taste from all of the chat.
ఒకటికే ఇచ్చేయండి బాగానే ఉంటే తీసుకోండి అదే ఫోన్ పార్సల్ వస్తున్నారు మరి ఎలా తీసుకుంటారండి పార్సల్ అంటే ఒకలా ఉంటుంది ఒకటి ప్లేట్లు ఇచ్చండి అది చెప్పండి ఇది స్లైస్
Now first he added onion, tomatoes and now we took some coriander leaves.
స్లైస్ చేస్తాను
It's added some fried peanuts, some spicy cornflakes,
ఎలా వచ్చింది
and some spices,
అనేది కొంచెం ఎక్కువ పప్పు
salt, and now he's adding lemon. This lemon gives one tangy taste to these tomato slices. Now he's mixing them nicely and it looks like our stuffing is ready now.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండి ఫ్రెండ్స్ బెస్ట్ ఇంకా బెస్ట్ ఫోటో బెస్ట్ ఫోటో లైట్
It looks very tasty. My mouth already become watery and now I want to eat this as soon as possible. So please give it to me. I can't wait anymore. Wow, the tomato slices are ready. It looks so tangy. If you do wanna eat, then come to Vizag and eat this tomato slice. I hope you liked our video. If you like it, then press the like button, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.